selling the Squarespace templates on Etsy. It's pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to show you how you guys can sell your Squarespace templates on Etsy. So suppose you are a template designer and Squarespace and you want to monetize it, want to earn some money from that. So you just have to go to your Squarespace template, Squarespace website, and here you just have to click on your account and you just have to click on this account dashboard. It will take you to page something like that. Now here you just have to click on this selling button and it will take you to this website, which have a lot more features than before. And here you have to go for the search and type in import and export. You just have to go to this option, which is import and export content. And here you just have to click on this export. And there you guys can see an option for WordPress. So you will need a WordPress account. You just need to select the WordPress here, and then you need to export your web designs or your templates in the WordPress. You can easily download those templates in WordPress XML files. So after downloading, you can easily sell those templates or XML files on Etsy. You just need to take the screenshot of these website from Squarespace to showcase your work, and you can simply sell them the XML file. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can sell your Squarespace templates on Etsy. Hope you guys find this video helpful.